In 1877's Pennoyer v. Neff, the Supreme Court ruled that due process limited state courts to asserting personal jurisdiction only over state residents, persons found within the state, or those who owned property within the state. But advances in transportation and communications technology meant that by the middle of the 20th century, businesses routinely operated beyond the confines of their home state. So in 1945's International Shoe Company versus Washington, the court revisited state court jurisdiction over out-of-state parties. The International Shoe Company, a Delaware corporation with its principal place of business in Missouri, sold goods in Washington state but didn't pay into the state's unemployment insurance fund. The company had roughly a dozen salespeople in Washington but didn't maintain offices or warehouses there. Salespeople put up temporary displays, then met with customers in hotels and public spaces. Orders were sent to Missouri and filled from facilities outside Washington. The company didn't have a registered agent in the state. The state unemployment commissioner notified International Shoe that the company owed assessed amounts from 1937 to 1940 and ordered payment. Notice was served on an International Shoe salesperson and by registered letter to company headquarters in Missouri. International Shoe objected and made a special appearance to dispute the state's in personam jurisdiction. After a hearing before the appeals examiner, the Unemployment Office's appeal tribunal agreed that International Shoe had to pay. The commissioner and the county superior court affirmed. The Washington Supreme Court also found for the state, holding that the company's repeated solicitation of orders resulting in an uninterrupted flow of the company's products into the state constituted doing business sufficient to satisfy due process. International Shoe appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court.